feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
Hi ladies, hi gents, this is Cindy, and I have a couple things I want to talk to you about today, share with you, and then share with you my outfit of the day. But to start with, I recently ordered this tooth whitening kit. I saw it advertised on Facebook. I think it was $20. I ordered it, it came straight away, and when I received it, I had they had these little plastic teeth or tooth formers, and then you had to put them in boiling water, take them out, form them to your teeth, then put them in ice cold water, and then along with that I got some syringes with the tooth whitening solution in them, and then I got this little this guide to how white you want your teeth to be, or kind of like, this is where I am now, this is where I eventually want to be with my teeth whitening. So, and then they have this light. Ooh, that looks so cool. So, I would like to do this for you, but then I'm not going to be able to talk. So, what you do is you put some of the gel in here, then you put this on, then you have to put this in your mouth. For so many minutes. And that's how that works. But I have used it. So far, so good. It's pretty easy schmeezy, and it's a lot less expensive than the, some of the more fancier ones. And it's more effective than I have been using the pressed white strips. So this little gadget is more effective than the pressed white strips. And I'm glad I got it. I recommend it. If you see it advertised on Facebook, get it. It's worth it. Another thing I want to talk to you about, I was recently gifted, although I had already several of these, but then I was contacted by a friend, and she sent two more to me. I'm actually wearing one, and I wear these every day. It's like a camisole. Here, it's like a camisole. It's got a built-in bra, nice thick straps, and it comes right, let's see if I can show you guys. I can't find it. I can't find the bottom of it. Well, actually, here's my, I'll show you more when I do my outfit of the day. But I have, this one's a flesh color, nude color, as you can see. But it holds in your midriff, and it has this great wide sticky band. It's like this wide, and it really clings to your skin. It holds in your midriff, which, makes your clothes look smoother on you, makes your clothes fit you a little bit better. Makes your clothes fit you a little bit better. And I like it because it's a bra. I hesitate and don't want to use the word girdle, because the girdle has such a negative memory for me for when I was younger and we wore those horrid rubber girdles. Yikes. But this is a great, very lightweight garment. You can see the sheen of it. It is comfortable as all get out, and it's a bra and midriff holder inner with a nice rubber band that really holds it onto you. This is made by a company called Ruby Ribbon, and I'll put the information in my details below. They've got that pretty double R for Ruby Ribbon. Like I said, I have two. I have this flesh color and I have a black one. They have other kinds of garments that are, meant to hold you in. They're not Spanx, They're much more comfortable than Spanx, I think. But I think that it's worthwhile looking into because they're comfortable, they hold you in, they are really a bra plus a, waist sucker inner. Okay, I want to show you outfit of the day, and then I'm going to tell you about it. The top, cute top. Really cute embroidered sleeves. I just have my regular Levi's on. And V-neck, which I like, which is good on me. But it's got kind of a lace on it, which I like. And what you can't see are my thongs. You can tell how much I've loved these up. So, but the thongs kind of match the embroidery, which I like. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm loving the sleeves. This is from Ross. The top is, here it was, $13.99. The jeans are just an old pair of jeans, so it's basically my top. So anyway, I wanted to share my new tooth whitening kit. It's certainly not the fancy one, but it does the trick. I bought it from an advertisement on Facebook, so be on the lookout. I wanted to share with you the Ruby Ribbon garment. I have a black one on now, and then I have this nice flesh-colored one. And then I wanted to share my outfit of the day. Yay! This is Cindy, and until our next conversation. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.